Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie with the Y. Don't forget to subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. This is a classic holiday look with a glitter red lippy that does not smudge. So I kept it really simple so that you guys can really enjoy and follow through. So if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We are starting off with our face already done. Please excuse the brows, like they're growing in, so I just don't know how to make them look like sisters anymore. Disrespect the technology because why was it not recording when I started to blend? But nonetheless, you get it. We are just blending sienna as our transition color, so that's gonna go into the crease, smoked out above the crease. That's just really gonna be our first warm color to start with. Next up, we're going to use shade Mulberry to darken up our crease. I really love this color. It's a really matte cranberry shade, so that'll really make it holiday, themed. When blending, especially the first two transition colors, I do really like to go back and forth with the first and the second so that they can blend seamlessly together. Next up, we're going in with our lid shade, which is Tempera, which is a really white, almost opal color. On the website, it is a velvety beige. And once again, after that lid shade, we do go back with the first two shades just to make sure everything is still blended in together. And I didn't want to lose any of that smokiness, especially from Mulberry. Next up, we're going in with one of my all-time favorite pigments for your eyes, and this is from J. LaRue. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and it is a stunning shade, very shimmery but subtle at the same time, and I just don't know how to describe it. It's like a white gold, but yeah, I've had this for years. A little goes a long way, and I of course will link it down in the description box. I also would suggest using a red lip liner, however I did not have one, so I just took my time in using that liquid lipstick, which is in shade Risk Taker by ColourPop. Once that lippy dries down matte, then you can start applying the glitter, and the one that I'm using is the one and only that I would ever use for a glitter lip because it does not move, it does not transfer, it does not smudge. And once I apply the glitter fully, I will show you on a towel how it barely smudges or transfers, like at all. Like, I love this stuff. I always forget how quickly this dries down as well, so I tried to get the glitter to the bottom lip, and yeah, it just did not move. She did not go anywhere. So I just applied a little bit more glue and glitter towards the bottom so that it can be as glittery as the top lip. I have no idea what Stay Golden Cosmetics has in this formula, but baby, do not change. Do not change, because what do you mean? How? Why? Where? When? Like, literally, she's not going anywhere. I love this for me. And that sums up the look. Really simple, subtle, like I said, a classic holiday makeup look, and most importantly with a red lip with glitter that does not move or smudge or transfer, whatever you want to call it. It won't go anywhere. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to become part of the familia, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.